To create a toggle animation in Figma, we'll divide the process into 3 sections. In the first section, we'll design the toggle. In the second section, we'll animate the toggle using the prototype tool. Finally, in the third section, we'll present the completed animation on the board. To create the toggle design, press F on your keyboard to create a frame. Set the width to 100 and the height to 60. Rename this frame Switch. Set the corner radius to 200 to make it fully rounded. Use the provided color code to fill the frame. Next, press O on your keyboard to draw an oval shape. Change its color to white. Drag both assets, the frame and the oval, onto the board. The link to these assets is provided in the description box. Now position the assets as shown. Select the night icon, right-click on it and choose Frame Selection. Rename this frame Night. Do the same with the sun icon by right-clicking, selecting Frame Selection, and renaming it Sun. Then bring both the night and sun frames inside the switch frame. Duplicate the switch frame and move the duplicate below the original. In the second switch frame, select the sun and night frames and move them downward as shown. Use the provided color code to fill the second switch frame. Next, drag the white oval shape towards the left side. Rename both the first and second switch frames appropriately. Select both frames, then enable Clip Content. Now arrange the sun and night assets accordingly. Finally, select both frames, click the drop icon on Variant, and choose Create Component Set. You've now completed the first section of the video, which covers the design part. You can find this design on aeiastore.shop. If you're a Figma designer, iAstore is the perfect platform to monetize your work. iAstore is a marketplace for digital products, allowing you to publish your Figma designs with no withdrawal fees, no limits on withdrawals, and 0 registration costs. Plus, we create promotional videos for every Figma design listed on iAstore to help increase your sales. Publish your design today, and we'll create a product video for you. Don't forget to visit aeiastore.shop. Now let's move on to the second section of the video, prototyping the design. First, select the prototype option. Connect the switch night frame to the switch day frame and follow these settings carefully. In Trigger, choose On Click. In Animation, select Smart Animate. For the curve, choose Ease In and Out Back. Set the duration to 800 milliseconds. Next, connect the switch day back to switch night. With that, the second section is complete. Now let's proceed to the third section, where we'll present the design on the board and review the final result. First, rename the current page to Animation, click the plus icon to add a new page, and rename it Presentation. Press F on your keyboard to create a new frame. Go to the Assets panel and drag the switch component onto the frame. And that's it. We've completed all sections. Now let's preview the final design.